What's up, guys? Okay, today I'm gonna give y'all a home decor Goodwill haul, and it's gonna be real quick, real quick. But I just want to show you how, if y'all look for certain items, trust and believe you can find them like real decent prices, real good prices, by the way. So let's get started. Okay, guys, I got this cute little frame. Now, the frame itself, what it says already is family, and you already know it's cute. I think this is plastic, got a little plastic covering in front of it, but you can actually take it out and you can put whatever you want in it. So I might change the saying, I'm not sure yet, but hey, we love family. And it was only $2.99. Yeah, can y'all see that? $2.99. Trust, it was $2.99. But today or on Mondays is 75% off whatever color. And today was yellow, so I got this frame for 75 cents. 75 cents, guys. How cute is that? Next, I got this cute little pillow. Now, this pillow will go in my bedroom. I've been looking for a pillow with this pattern on it in this color. So I'm like, I gotta get it. And y'all, this is a nice quality pillow. It have a zipper. Let's see who is it. Oh, it's Pier 1, baby. I didn't even check that out, guys. Pier 1 pillow, real good quality. And it was only $3.99. $3.99. Y'all already know. For a pillow, pillows cost a little grip, y'all. So I really thought that was cute. And then I got this cute little purse. What you call it? Like a little bag, makeup bag or whatever, y'all. Y'all know I don't wear no makeup. But I thought it'd be cute to just like carry a little phone in or something. Now on here say $4.99, but it was 75% off. So I think I got it for $175 or $150. But I thought it was real cute. Just something like the hole or whatever. Like, alrighty. Oh. Next, I got this cute little letter board. Now, it did not come with the letters, but trust and believe, I got enough letter boards that I can use their letters. But I thought this was real cute. It's navy blue, if you cannot tell. And it was only $2.99. Y'all not going to be able to see the prices that well. Oh, there you go. $2.99. Y'all see the color is yellow too. So I got this for 50% off, so it was only $150. And this board is from Hobby Lobby, and it's regular $49.99 with the letters. Who gonna pay $49.99? Not that I said to fly. I'm not paying no $49.99, guys. So I thought this was real cute. Okay, y'all. The last item that I purchased is this cute candle holder and candle. This came as a set, guys, a set. I'm like, you know what, this is to me cute separately, but $5.99 for the set. And this is regular. This is a pottery barn, both candle and the stand. The stand by itself is $29, and the candle, I want to say that Jones is like $64, guys, something crazy. Okay, but like I said, I got them together for $5.99. And this is, man, this Jones is heavy, okay? And it came with the batteries. How about that? Look at it. Ambiance. Come on through, candle. It's one of those, let me move it. See, it flickers as if it's real. And it's a real wax texture, guys. It feels like a real candle. But I thought it was so pretty. Yeah, I almost forgot. That was not my last item. This actually is my last item. I found this cute little K sign or whatever you want, a plaque. But it is very heavy and very well made. And you already know my name is Kenya. And I've been looking for a decorative K, but something different. And hey, y'all, this is different enough. And it fits with my decor. And it was only $2.99 But I got 75% off. So I think it was only 75 cents, guys. It is very well made and I love it. Oh yeah. That's it, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Y'all will not be disappointed. I have more DIYs to come, and I have almost a whole house makeover that I'm getting together for you guys to watch. But if you haven't already, if I have not just mentioned that, please subscribe to my channel and follow me. Click that little gray silver bell so you make sure you get your notifications when I do upload and all that good stuff, guys. So this is my whole collection of all my Goodwill finds, and y'all, I need to slow my roll, but I got one more item that I'm actually looking for. So hey, until next time, see you guys later. Doses.